Hi, welcome back again to the strategy journey. Today I am going to start the discussion on the phase 1 of Blue Ocean strategy. It is about the concepts and the principles of the new strategy process. Let me begin with some fundamentals. What is Blue Ocean? Blue Ocean is the central and overall concept of the new strategy process. For a while I thought it is difficult to understand the Blue Ocean at the beginning. Let's look at something that we know at the outset. What is then Red Ocean? Red Ocean represents all the industries in existence today. It is the market universe of all the industries that is in existence today. You and I know hundreds and thousands of such industries. For example, pharmaceutical industry, accounting software industry, FMCG industry, hand tools industry, toothpaste industry. Now let's look at what is Blue Ocean. Blue Ocean represents all the industries not in existence today. So this is confusing. How can one understand something which is not in existence today? Let me take you through some examples. Just turn the clock back 200 years from now. Industries which are basic as automobile and aviation did not exist 200 years before. They have been created later. Now just turn the clock back just 50 years before. Multi-million-dollar industries such as mobile phones, discount retail, coffee bars, express package delivery industries did not exist, and they were created after. Now let's look at some lifetime examples. Just turn the clock back only 20 years. Multi-billion-dollar industries that exist today like cloud computing, smartphones, social media did not exist meaningfully 20 years before in year 2000. So like this, multi-trillion-dollar industries can emerge in another 10 to 15 years time because the cycle of creation is faster now than ever before. So can you be such a visionary company who can create a new market universe or new market which will give you massive opportunity for growth? Let me now elaborate. In Red Ocean, the industry boundaries are defined and well accepted by the market. The competitive rules of the game are known. Companies try to outperform rivals in order to grab a greater share of the existing market space. As a result, the markets get overcrowded and the prospects for profit and the growth opportunities are reduced. The products become commodities. Competition turns into cutthroat and the whole ocean of market becomes red. It's important to know how to swim successfully in the Red Ocean by outperforming rivals because it is an eternal fact of business life, the competition. However, when supply exceeds demand in the industry, the companies need to go beyond competing in order to seize new growth opportunities and profit prospects to have high level of performance. Then the need for creation of Blue Ocean emerges. Unlike Red Oceans, Blue Oceans are defined by the untapped market spaces and by the opportunities it gives for highly profitable growth. Blue Oceans can be created within existing industries. Also, Blue Oceans can be created across the boundaries of many industries. Further, Blue Oceans can be created outside the scope of the existing industries. But unfortunately, in the history, the Blue Ocean creation is largely unexplored. Even in the recent history, the dominant factor of the strategy creation has been competition-based Red Ocean strategies. Certain discussions have happened about the Blue Ocean creation, yet they are limited to technological innovation, product innovation, or process innovation. But in overall, about business innovation has not been discussed, has not been executed, because there's very little practical guidance on how to create a blue ocean. Nevertheless, industries never stand still. They evolve, markets expand, operations improve, players come and go. History has taught us that we have hugely underestimated capacity to create new industries. The major reason for this is that the corporate strategy is heavily dependent on the military strategy. In war, the strategy is about fighting an opponent over a given piece of land that is constant, that is limited. But the market universe has never been so. New markets or the new industries has been created, has been recreated continuously. So accepting the key constraining factor of war, that is, you need to beat the other player, you need to beat the opponent to succeed, denies the key and unique and distinctive strength of the business world. With that, we wish to conclude for the day. We will meet you again with the continuation of Blue Ocean strategy concepts and the principles, including frameworks and analytics of the phase 1 next time. Till we meet again, have a great time. Thank you.